A gentleman just phoned up, wanted a price to recover a motorbike seat. Didn't tell me there's no foam with it as well though. Dogs have got to it evidently. So for quad motorbike, so we shall have to rebuild all the foams and do a complete rebuild. Well, I've got them all pulled apart. Now I've got to find some foam and do a repack. Well, I've got the heavy duty foam. It's quite a very firm foam. Just put a layer of underlay just to give it a soften up. We've got a joint in it. What now is start to cut it to shape, see how it comes up. Now my motorbike seat all finished, ready. Focus a bit. Stainless steel staples, so at least we'll no more rusting anywhere.